Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
Hello friends, and welcome to our channel TubeCore, and in this video we are going to take a look at the product called trafficheist. So this is a traffic heist or traffic heist review, and this product at the top is saying, you can see, warning, do not even try to make online money until you see this buyer method. And this is how we legally hijack 534 plus buyer leads per day, and how you can replicate what we do in 7 minutes, and this and that. Okay, now let's take a look at the pricing of this product. So you go down at the very bottom and it shows it's available in $5.60. $5.60. Are you begging me here? So they are giving you some money making system in $5.60. They are so desperate. I don't understand. Why are you trying to scam people just for $6, just for $5.60? So you see the urgency here. You see how desperate these people are, how they want to scam you, or they want to feed on you just for $5. Are you like, this is what your level is now? You want to scam people for just $5.60, right? It's better to beg somebody. You go on the street and beg and you might get $5, okay? But they launch these kind of dodgy and scam products and they want $5 from you. They don't have any self-respect. $5, whatever. So by now you would have understood that I'm going to expose them because this is a scam product. And before we actually get into the review, let's go through some disclaimers first. So make sure you read this, because the secret is out. In order to make money online, you need to stop losing money online, okay? Stop looking for a system, because there's no such system which will make you money online, okay? So you can only make money if you have some skills. If you know how to make videos, then go onto YouTube, make videos, earn from YouTube, okay? If you know how to make a website, if you know how to write content, if you know how to make a blog, if you know how to do SEO, then go ahead and do it, and then get traffic from Google and then make sales. Nobody else can make sales for you. It's your own responsibility to generate traffic, to generate videos, to generate content. Do something, okay? Don't look for somebody else's shoulder to cry. You have to cry alone. Don't look for my shoulder. So if you want to make money, stop losing money. That's first thing. And then we need to understand the concept of bonuses here, because people will try to lucrate to you that, okay, I'll give you this $1,000 bonus. I'll give you this $5,000 bonus. Are you freaking out of your mind? Bonus is something which gets credited into your bank account as a liquid cash. That's called bonus. Have you worked in a job? Do you get Christmas bonus? Do you get some extra bucks? That's called bonus. These people, these affiliates, these scammers on YouTube, they will not give you any money in your bank account. So it's like, don't freak about bonuses here, okay? So bonus is nothing. Don't worry about bonuses. Third thing is, first of all, subscribe to this channel, because this is the only channel on the planet which will help you to save your money, okay? We don't ask you to buy this, buy that, because here on this channel we can make money with YouTube ads, okay? So YouTube is paying us, right? So we are fine with that. We are not here to sell you crap. So subscribe to the channel, because here only you will get honest reviews, okay? Now let's get back to this website here. There's not much to talk about from the front, from the word go. This is a scam because of the pricing. Actually, if you have such system which is making you money or giving you some leads, just use it for yourself, okay? Make some money with that system. We don't need a system for $5.60. This is your status, this is your level. $5.60, and you think people are fool? Maybe people are fool, maybe people are gonna buy this. But anyways, let's take a look here. It says unique, never seen before, 100% test and proven, legally steal unlimited traffic, this and that crap. Now I'll show you inside the dashboard. This is what the dashboard looks like. You have this thing here. So at the top you have some training, some tutorials, some videos. So it says, first of all, find a product to give away. So you have to find some lead magnet, then create your opt-in page, your landing page with your from where you can get the email addresses of people, then joining the Legends giveaway, then listing your product on the event, monetize this and that on crap, okay? Brainwash. So this is a training tutorial course, and they're charging you 5.6 for that. Now it's on you. Do you want to spend $5.60, or do you want to grab a burger from, in that money? It's entirely up to you, because no matter if this product is available for $5, no matter if this product is available for $50, no matter if this product is available for free, you will not make any money with it, okay? Money is not in the product. Money is not there on the internet. Money is in your brain. If you have brain, if you know what to do, then only you can make money here, okay? If I can make YouTube videos, I can make money. Similarly, if you know how to make YouTube videos, go ahead and make YouTube videos and earn money. Okay, nobody's stopping you. Similarly, if you know how to make a website, go and run your blogs. Okay, start your own review blogs or some other whatever your interest is. Okay, so do something. Now let's go through the website here. It's all fake screenshot. Don't worry, don't waste time on all this. It's all fake. And then here you got add to cart 5.6. This is the level, for God's sake. Now, in the end, let's say if you want to earn money, you need to start either a YouTube channel or you need to run your own blog, okay? Now, if you are not comfortable in speaking or coming in front of the camera, so in that case, you should start a website, a blog, maybe a review blog, and then for that, you're going to buy a domain or hosting. So if you already have a domain and you don't have money to pay for monthly, so for example, people think twice, because every month they have to pay for hosting services, right? So if you talk about GoDaddy or maybe this Bluehost, Namecheap, or DreamHost, so these companies charges you $10 to $15 per month for hosting, okay? So what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to put a link in the description below. That link will take you to this website called getlifesuit.com, and this will give you unlimited hosting. So as you can see, it gives you unlimited hosting of sites and domains at the tiniest one-time cost. It gives you SSL encryption as well. It gives you built-in WordPress as well, and it gives you a lot other features like autoresponder. It gives you funnel builder. It gives you webinar. Webinar is like where you can host your video calls, your webinar meetings. It gives you graphic designing editor. So along with unlimited hosting, you get a lot of all these features too. So if you're thinking about running a blog or a website, then click on the link in the description below. Grab this copy of Get Life Suit. And in case you already have a website but you're still paying monthly for hosting, then you will want to switch from that hosting to this account. So they'll also help you to switch from your existing hosting so that you don't lose your website, but you can simply go ahead and migrate your hosting account, and you can start saving your money, because this is only a one-time cost, so you don't have to pay every month for that. Now, if you have watched our video till now, I'll give you some unlimited bonus right now, because you don't have to worry about other affiliates crapping you about bonus. All you can do is simply go on to idplr.com, and once you type in this website in the browser, idplr.com, then it will open up this website, which should be there now. Yeah. Now here on this website, go to this section called free products, and in this section you can get as many lead magnets you want. You can get free ebooks, free software, free videos, free audios, free graphics. So whatever you want to give to your subscribers, you can just download it from here. So in this example, if we click on free software, then this will show us all these free softwares with master resale right. So master resale right means that you can resell these softwares and you can charge for them. So you can resell them at a cost, okay? All those software which has master resale rights, they are sellable. You can sell them to people and charge them to your clients, okay? So this is the unlimited website. It's a golden mine of PLRs and of free products. So if you are a person who loves to get some bonuses, even though bonuses are only a waste of time, but still you can come onto this idplr.com and you can use this website as a giveaway. So if you have some subscribers, you can give the ebooks to them in order to subscribe to your email list, okay? So again, let's recap. Don't buy this crap product. It's a total scam. They are trying to just make some money so that they can survive. 5.6, think before you buy this, because no system can make you money. That's one thing. Second is that $5.6, just use your brain, okay? So cut the crap. Watch our videos, because we'll save your money. Subscribe to our channel, like this video, and do comment what do you want to see more, okay? So we'll see you shortly in the next video.